Water utilities play an essential role within society. They have to provide clean drinking water and they have to process wastewater. And to do that as efficiently as possible. Key goals include cost effectiveness, key goals include being sustainable. They have to prevent leaks, they have to do this efficiently, reduce energy waste, and all of that applies to the three core pillars of a utility. At the very core we have the pumps and pipes, the machines if you will. Those machines are orchestrated by control software, which basically, that second pillar, that control software, tells the pumps how they work together. Then you have that third component, which are the maintenance teams and operators, basically the people that handle tasks that cannot be automated. Now, we see a lot of innovation, in particular on the control layer, where you have all sorts of digital twins and all sorts of AI-powered technologies that make sure that software is becoming smarter. Decision support tools that take data and turn it into information so that the people can make better decisions. At Samotics, we focus on the pumps. So we monitor those pumps based on an AI-powered technology that tells our clients about the condition, the performance and the energy efficiency of those pumps so they can reduce unplanned downtime and optimize energy efficiency.